Hi kids, welcome to our science lesson, Unit 8, Absorption. Topic, let's classify water absorbent and non-water absorbent objects. Before we start, let us look at the content standard, learning standard and learning objective for this lesson. Content standard 8.1, the ability of materials to absorb water. Learning Standard 8.1.2 Classify objects that absorb water and cannot absorb water. Learning Objective. By the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to classify objects that absorb water and cannot absorb water. Let's classify objects. Still you remember our previous task? This is your previous task. You have to color the object that absorb water. Teacher circle the objects that absorb water. Objects that absorb water are paper, handkerchief, and towel. Objects that cannot absorb water are marble, plastic toy, and paper clip. Now, let us classify this object. We can use a tree map to classify the water absorbent objects and non-water absorbent objects. This is a tree map. Objects, water absorbent, non-water absorbent. In a column under water absorbent objects, you have to write all the water absorbent objects. And in the column under non-water absorbent object, you have to write all the non-water absorbent object. From these pictures, water absorbent objects are paper, handkerchief, and towel. So we write in the space under water absorbent like this. And then look again at the picture. Now find non-water absorbent object. Marble, so we write marble here under non-water absorbent here. Plastic toy, non-water absorbent, we write here. And paper clip, we write under non-water absorbent. So now we have the classification for water absorbent and non-water absorbent object. More example. You can find this in your textbook, page 73. Let's classify objects. There are various objects in the kitchen area. Straw, glass, these are plastic plates, these are metal spoons, this is doormat, this is hand towel, this is mop, and this is kitchen paper. Now, classify all these objects into water absorbent object and non-water absorbent object. We will use the tree map to do the classification. We write like this: objects, water absorbent, non-water absorbent. Now, let us find water absorbent object. Find it from the picture. Straw, is it water absorbent? No. Straw is non-water absorbent, so we write here. How about glass? Glass also non-water absorbent. We write here. How about the metal spoon? The metal spoon also non-absorbent object, so we write here. How about plastic plates? Plastic plates. Plastic plates also non-water absorbent because plastic plate cannot absorb water. How about doormat? Doormat can absorb water. So doormat is a water absorbent object. So we write here doormat. How about hand towel? Hand towel can absorb water. So hand towel is a water absorbent object. So we write here. How about mop? Mop can absorb water. So mop is a water absorbent object. So we write here. How about kitchen paper? Kitchen paper also can absorb water. Kitchen paper is a water absorbent object. So we write here. Write like this. Object, water absorbent, kitchen paper, mop, doormat, and hand towel. And non-water absorbent object, glass, metal spoons, plastic plates, and straw. So we already have the classification for the water absorbent and non-water absorbent object. From this activity, we found that objects that made from paper and cotton are water absorbent objects, and objects that made from glass, metal, and plastic are non-water absorbent objects. This is your task for today. Do exercise in your science activity book, page 51. As usual, please write the date today. Classifying water absorbent object. Instruction: classify the following objects correctly. Look at the pictures. This is balloon. This is hand towel. This is kitchen paper. This is hand mirror. This is paper. This is iron spoon. Look at the classification, water absorbent objects. So you write all the water absorbent objects here, and non-water absorbent objects. You have to write all the non-water absorbent objects here. Find it from the picture above. Look at the balloon. Balloon cannot absorb water. So balloon is a non-water absorbent object. So you write balloon here. How about hand towel? Hand towel can absorb water. So hand towel is a water absorbent object. You write here hand towel. How about kitchen paper? How about hand mirror, paper, and iron spoon? You have to classify to water absorbent object or non-water absorbent object. I hope you can do this task. That's all for our lesson today. Thank you. Bye.